Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. I've got some problems here. I've got some alterations to do. I've got insulators in the wrong places. I've got an electro, an electro frog point, which I really didn't know that I had. So there's a few changes got to take place here because I've got one short circuit and I can't get round it, and it's taken me 24 hours of thinking, why is this? And now I've realised what I've done. One, I've wired it up wrong. Two, I've got the insulators in the wrong place. And three, I've got an electro frog point. Well, I've got two of them actually, one this end and one the other end. And yeah, things are not playing ball as they should be. So yeah, I'm going to change all this now. I've got to cut the track as well here with the grinder. So yeah, more coming. I am going to get this running, but short circuits are stopping the way at the moment. Back in a second. Yeah, it's quite annoying to be taking this apart, and I want to be doing other things, but until I get this electric sorted out, there is no way I'm going to get round these short circuits unless I know what I'm doing. Yes. Oh, frustrating. There we go, that one should come out now. Oh. And this wire, yes, that wire, that's in the wrong place. Which one is it? It's that one. Is it? Oh. Alright, there we go. We got them off of there. And them on there. Oh, I'll come back when there's more to report. Please don't try this at home. Oh, damn. Damn. Yes, please don't try this at home unless you get your mum or dad to help you do it. One mil gap, so that's my isolator. It's got to pop a bit of glue on there so they don't slide up and down. This is turning out to be a nightmare, really. I've had to change every lead up because yes, I envisaged this wrong. Come on, that's it. Oh, one more. Okay. Got you. Right, I'm just going to change these fish plates over to these ones with tails on, so back in a minute. Right, I think that's done it. Just slide this fish plate up into position. Yes. Right, that's my droppers for that next section. A slight rethink, a complete rethink. I hope it's going to be alright. So onwards and upwards, backwards, and I've got some more when I've got some more to report. I don't believe it. Yes, we've got 2-lane traffic. Somebody's left their carriers behind and them pockets pulled out. Hey! I have cheated a little bit by just screwing these 2 wires together. That's that section and that section. This is where the relay should be, but I've just screwed them together for now. Wonderful stuff. There we come through the station. It's not there yet. Well, we've got something running both ways. That's excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Well, yeah, I'm pleased about that. Well, I think that's the end of this video because I've definitely got dirty track, so we'll get Ginty to give it a good scrubbing tomorrow. Hello, 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 hello. That sounds like a wheel off. Where is it? Well, this is the end of this video because this track is dirty. We'll get Ginty to give it a good scrub up tomorrow. And that's it. A bit more wiring to do than some of the roads in the station might be more usable. So I'd be able to stop, say, the Terrier, and then out the station, other platforms, I can take other engines away. So that's the end of this little update. So pleased to see trains running in both directions. Right, we'll end the video with them both going. So Terrier, off you go. Don't be naughty. Come on, off you go. Ooh. Yeah, track is dirty. Right, come on, B17, off you go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. That's Alan going down to the kitchen. Good night. After all this planning, I've realised I've made a big mistake. because there's my reversing loop turning the trains round, but once I've gone round there I'm forced to continue going on. How can I turn them back around? So I'm thinking this station is coming out and there's be a point there making the reverse turning loop to that there, and this outer line is going to have to go over a bridge here and back on here, otherwise there's no way I can turn them around once and that's it. Yeah, I never thought about this. Okay. Yes, I never thought about reversing loop. I need one on the other end between there and there. So one's going to go behind the station and the other line is going to have to get over a bridge here, over this little lot, and then back on to here somewhere. Oh, what a nightmare. But yeah, I hadn't envisaged this. I hadn't thought about this. But live and learn, I suppose. That's how in the loft. Out.